dog got the place to the skull, let's try and kill me. Man's mind's full of landmines, trying to ride through thought pattern, lust, drugs, greed, and some lies too. It's a way to get all these things behind you. Never tiptoe around the minefield. Try to dwell in a place where the Holy Ghost hides you. Psalms 91 repeated back like a drive-through. Hopeless, I wish I'd come home with you, so high, so this blue sky I run to, so high, hopeless. I wish I'd come home to you, so high, so this blue sky I run to, sometimes focus, too much sunshine, sunburn you and me.
You ain't gonna fly so high,
Fly so,
you ain't gonna drive so high,
fly so high.